Alright, today everyone, the special food, the snail that we just bought from the markets. But this kind of snail probably take from the river or from the lake. We don't know for sure. You know, when I was a boy, I was a farmer. I can find all these snails in the rice field. Okay, they really big. And today we had stir fry snail. Look at all the vegetable. This is holy basil, and this is a garlic powder. Ingredients and red chili, and go with the big really gigantic chili to make it very spicy. Okay, enjoy watching this video. Thank you. This is how to clean the snail. Right, look at this. We clean them first, and after that we have to take them to the boiling pot. Okay, this is a boiling pot. We have to boil them in about 15 minutes. Alright, so now we put the snails into the boiling water. Look at this. Okay, before we take them for fry. Okay, put them in here. All in here. All in here. Well, look at this. It's already boiling. Wow. All right, we take one to try the meat. Make sure that the meat is soft. That's all done. Look at this. Wow, maybe soft. Soft, right? Alright, they already boil in about 15 minutes. Okay. Alright, look at this. It's amazing. Wow, there's so many. Alright, we started to make a stir fry. Right, put the garlic in it. Wow, smells so good. Alright, put some brown sugar, oil and garlic. And then we put some more red chili. Wow, it smells so good. You don't smell anything, but I'm here. I smell really good. Now, alright, then we put up ingredient powder. Look at this. Oh, okay, looks amazing. Khmer food mixed with a lot of ingredients, and we put some little bit of the fish sauce and the sugar. Wow, it smells really good. Wow, look at this. There's a little bit of water in it. Oh, I still say it smells fantastic. It makes me really hungry. Then we put some snails in. Okay. Wow. Now we put the red chili in it. Red chili. Okay. More red chili. And then the holy basil. Wow, look at this. Oh, smells really good. Oh, I'm so hungry now. More holy basil is more delicious. So I hope you have wonderful food with your family. Alright, almost done. Okay, put into the dish. Okay. Wow, that's nice. Alright, it's already done. Okay, look at this. It's amazing, yeah? Alright. It's nice. Wow, looks so delicious, huh? And so it's pretty today. Look at the all the powder in the eyelash. Delicious, right? Comes along with rice. Jasmine rice. It's delicious. Qué rico, ¿no? Qué rico. Ajá. Welcome everyone to the channel The Big Food KH. Today we have the deep fried snail. Look at this. Deep fried snails. Wow. Look at this. Deep fried snails.
Nó cho cạn
Này, tay nhắm đây vậy?
Thế ăn nhầm đây từ
Này. Nam. Nhâm.
Alright. Deep fried snails comes along with the sauce. Inside the sauce there are garlic, chili to make it a little spicy. Look at this, so big, eh? Wow, so big. Oh my, look at that. That's big.
Ngoài nhà tụi mình
Bienvenidos a mi canal todo el mundo. Ahora tenemos un caracoles fritos con la salsa de chili y lemon. Mira. Y una familia pequeña con dos hijas guapas. Mira, está vestiendo una ropa roja. Una ropa roja. A ellos les gustan la ropa roja. Mira, la flor cerca de la cabeza, muy guapa. Y también esta muchacha también es guapa. Estaba maquillando. Qué rico, ¿no? Qué rico. La comida riquísima. Está comiendo con arroz al vapor. Parece rico. Alright, thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you have wonderful time with family. Wish you a very good luck and stay safe. Thank you. Gracias por mirar este canal, todo el mundo. Deseo que tenga buen día con la familia y buena comida. Gracias por todo.